Good morning, Daniela. We recently noticed that the Coffee and Letters cafeteria located in the university library has suffered an increase in the service process times. Your mission, if you decide to accept it, is to find out what is happening, assemble a team and together with them perform the proper analysis. This message will self-destruct in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I have the perfect team for this mission.
Alejandro, mathematician. Valentina, time expert.
We knew it was not going to be an easy mission. For 3 days in a row, we had to have an hour of our time and meet at the Coffee and Letters cafeteria from 12 to 1 p.m.
We had to count each person who became part of the system. It means everyone who stood in the line to place an order. We also had to count the time it took from the moment they arrived until the moment the service ended with the delivery of the order.
On Wednesday, 11 people arrived at the system, on Thursday, 6 people, and on Friday, 4 people. Most of them arrived at distant times. However, even though there were few people, a line formed on Wednesday and Friday, each of 2 people.
In each case, we took the various times that each student spent in the system within the queuing process is known as mu, the service rate, where we determined that the systems could only receive 25 people in an hour. Also, by identifying the number of students that got into the system, we found lambda, which in the model represents our arrival rate. That was 7 people per hour. This leads to find the value of rho, that was 28%, which gave us a clear image of the low level of service at the Coffee and Letters cafeteria.
Besides, we found that the average number of students waiting in the line was of 0.10 clients, with an average time waiting in the line of 0.015 hours, accurate data as the line hardly presented in the 3 days analyzed. Also, the average number of clients in the service was of 0.38, with an average time in the system of 0.055 hours, as there was a low flow of clients.
In this case, identifying a bottleneck was a difficult mission, as the Coffee and Letters cafeteria works with a low number of clients. However, the service takes a long time, so that even without a bottleneck, with more demand, the system could collapse, as even when working with few people, the service takes a long time. Therefore, we believe that a first strategy, the blondies at the point, should be trained in a faster way to offer the service, so that they could receive more people. Then, we think that it would be important to increase the number of people, which is lambda, that goes to the cafeteria. This through marketing strategies such as changing the colors, opening a little bit more the space, enhancing the lights, changing the space into a more comfortable one, or maybe offering a unique product in the campus that could motivate people to visit the cafeteria. For example, a milkshake machine that could only be found at the Coffee and Letters point.
When implementing this, we foresee an increase in the number of students in the system of 6 students more, which represents a growth of the 85% of lambda, leading to an increase in rho from 28% to 52%. This shows that the current system is not being used at its most capacity. On the contrary, it is not being exploited, which leaves a great space for improving. By increasing the flow of people in this place, it can help to decongest the other food points of the university, where bottlenecks do form. No mission is impossible when you have the dream team.